Hello and welcome to this BMW M4 redesign video. Today I want to discuss the new BMW design language and also the controversy about the big front grille. Now I'm starting with the sketch of the front, but later on I'm also creating another sketch of the side view in this video. And you can see that I'm starting with the windshield, then I'm drawing the bonnet, and I have to say that I really like the design of the bonnet with these kind of huge power domes which start at the top of the front grille and end at the windshield. Then I'm coloring the bonnet and some other parts, and now I want to explain how I redesigned the grille. I wanted to keep the overall shape and design language, but I also wanted that it looks much smaller, because I think the biggest problem with this new grille is that you can't fit the license plate on the grille because it doesn't fit into the design, and so I decided to create an area below the grille for the license plate. And also below that spot I add an air intake instead of the vertical grille to keep the design harmonic. To finish the sketch I add some other details like the side air intakes and the headlights, and I'm also coloring the sketch in this Sao Paulo yellow, which was the color to present the car, but I'm also very excited to see some other color combinations in the future, like a completely blacked out version or something like that. And I think it's also quite cool to see the interior of this car, because there you can see the color combination of this Sao Paulo yellow with some petrol blue, and this is a very cool option. And you can also change the colors, as I know, and yeah, really good options for the interior in this car. So this is my front design, and now I want to bring this design into another sketch of the side view. Another change I made to the front grille is that I lowered it a little bit, and it is now at the same height as the headlights, and my intention for that is that the car looks a bit sportier and more tilted forward. And on the original car, the top of the front grille is a bit higher, as you can see on the example. Because I want to keep the overall new design of the grille, I'm also drawing in the horizontal spokes, and I quite like this design feature. And this is also very new to the car, because I don't know, but recent BMWs didn't have this. And one highlight about the new BMW M4 are definitely the headlights. I think they look really good and very distinctive, and I keep them on my sketch like they are designed. And they also look very good in person, as I experienced in the BMW world. Another change I made on this car is this line on the side, and I think the old BMW had this, and I wanted to capture it also in the new one, because this looks very sharp, and I don't know, this is something like the BMW design DNA, and I just wanted to try how this line looks on this BMW, and you can give me a feedback what you think about this or other changes I made. Another reason for me to redesign this car was a survey on Instagram with over 1,400 participants, and the feedback was that only 33% liked the front, but also 80% liked the overall design of the car, and yeah, that motivated me to come up with my own idea how the front could look like. And I also like the overall design of the car, especially some details like the wheels, like the headlights or other details, and I think it takes some time until some of us get used to the design, and it also looks better in real life than on photos, as I experienced in the BMW world. And at least I think it was a brave step for the BMW designers to come up with something completely new. And yeah, but I still think a smaller grille looks better on this car. This was my little redesign, and I hope you enjoyed this video. This is just my idea how the car could look a bit more harmonic, but I'm also very interested in your feedback. Do you prefer the original car, or do you like the car with a smaller grille? Let us discuss in the comments, and I hope to see you in my next video.